Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Miss D, and guess what time it is? It is Stitch Fix time. Again, I feel like I just saw you guys. I feel like we just met. I feel like we just opened a box, but we have another one. So welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I am your girl Miss D. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn your notification bell on, because after this, sis, you're just gonna want to see everything else. And you know, my bros watch too. Hey, for all the fellas that catch my video, how y'all doing? Today I'm here to go over my May Stitch Fix box, which I feel is like a couple weeks early, but I'm gonna go ahead and run through all the items, and of course we'll have our try on at the end. So if you want to see the items that I got in this box, stay tuned. So what I normally like to do is I normally like to start with the message that I get from my stylist. Let's see what she says. She says, "Hello Deanna, and welcome to your fix. I had a blast styling you today. I'm sorry we have missed the mark on your last couple of fixes. Hopefully I have provided some edgy and sexy pieces that make you feel confident and ready for a great night out. I hope you enjoy." Oh, my stylist name is Dakota. I don't have Brianna anymore. So let's see what Dakota has rounded up for you, girl. Now, first off, everything in this box total, if I were to get every single item, it would be total $173.50 minus the $20 that I've already been charged to have the fix delivered. Now, there's low and high items. There's two items for $34, one for $54, one for $58, and one for $78. There's a maxi dress, I'm assuming there's a maxi dress that says it's $78, and the jeans are $54, so that's not bad for jeans. There's a jumpsuit for $58, a crop top for $34, and a bodysuit for $34. So let's go ahead and dive in. While I'm opening this, quick story time. So I got a notification on my email that my box had been delivered, right? I'm like, okay, cool. I go out to the mailbox maybe a day later. I didn't go out immediately. And the little key that the mailman left in my mailbox to be able to get my package didn't work for any of the boxes. So I'm like, okay, my Stitch Fix is held hostage. Why can I not get my Stitch Fix? 2 days go by and I'm like, you have to return this stuff within a certain amount of time, right? Or they'll charge you. I'm like, Lord, what am I gonna do? I have to try to get to the mailman while they're there to figure out why this key's not working from my box. And here we go, ding dong, ring at the doorbell. I go downstairs, it's a girl and her boyfriend. She had my box and it was open. I'm like, girl, why would you open my box? Is what I was thinking in my head. The package wasn't open, but the box itself was open. And I'm like, girl, you know your name is not D. Your name does not start with a D, or your last name does not start with a C, honey. Your name is nothing near mine. Why would you open my package? Oh, my aunt's name is Diana, and I ordered her some shoes, and I thought this was her package. Girl, you know you seen that Stitch Fix, girl. Don't lie. But thanks for returning it. They were nice enough to return my package. But that is a quick story time about how my Stitch Fix almost got hijacked. Item number 1. Oh, okay. Yes. I am feeling this. We have a little sleeveless action going on. This is an exclusive. Let's see what we have here. D.Ellie. I like the brand D.Ellie. I tried something else on D.Ellie before from them. This is a dark gray top, crop top in a large. And I like that it has this detail here at the bottom. So I know this will be really cute. Probably wrapped somehow around my waist or around the jeans, or just might be a little bow in the front. So I can't wait to try this on. This is it's different for me, which is what I like and is what I asked for. And I like the crossover action that it has in the front. So it'll probably show a little cleavage. Item number 2 is our jumpsuit. Ooh, this is gonna be a little sexy. I'm here for it. This is a Sammy cut out bodysuit. This is a black and a large as well. The brand is Lush. And it's kind of contraption. Y'all, I didn't even see this hole. It's open. Is this the bag? This is the bag, y'all. I'm excited. I need a little pizzazz. You know what I'm saying? I need a little something popping off in my Stitch Fixes. So I'm excited to try that on. Next item. Oh, this is a dress. I think this is the maxi dress. Lemon Tart is the brand. Navy large, yes, maxi dress. Okay, Dakota. Was that her name? Was her name Dakota? I think her name was Dakota. Come through with the cute items. See, I'm liking this. This might not, I don't know how I'm feeling this yet. I don't know, but I'm excited to have something different, something to try, and it looks like it's going to fit. This is a size, yes, this is a size large. So I like the little ruffle that goes around it, front and back. No splits or slits or, oh yeah, there is. There's a slit up the side, a little slit. Not too bad. The material is like it's real heavy. So it's definitely like, here in Arizona, this will be hot, but the sleeves are off. I could probably put a little cute sleeveless denim jacket or something like that over it to make it zhuzhed up. Next, we have a jumpsuit. I don't think my body is jumpsuit material, but we're gonna try it, sis, okay? This is in a large as well. This is by 9 Britain, which is a brand that I've gotten from them before. It looks a little wide, I'm not gonna lie, but it does have a tie. So I could, you know, tie it tighter, make sure it fits, but it has a lot of stretch, which is good. You want stretch. This is navy blue and pink, so very cute. Just throw some slides on with it and you'll be on your way. It looks like it has shorts built in, so it's not as see-through. I don't know if you can see the demarcation there, but I can see it as I lift it up to the light. There are shorts kind of built in, so this will be nice to try on because I've never worn a jumpsuit before. Not as an adult, probably not even as a child. Finally, it happened to me right in front of my face and I just cannot hide it. How do I break out in full song? Finally, the last item, these jeans. These are a 13 or a size 31. They're Judy Blue brand out of Los Angeles. They're high-waisted. Sis is not sure about high waist. They are size 12, but I like the color of them. I like the distressedness, and then I also like the hem at the bottom. Very different. I don't have anything in my closet that looks like this, and I do want to get into lighter color jeans, especially now that summertime is coming around. It'll be cute to pair with different types of tops, and it's versatile. Throw on some sandals, make it real cool, calm, and cute. I think you could even dress this up. I wouldn't even be surprised if you could put some pumps with this or some heels with this and just make it an all-around look. So I am ready to try these on, but as always, I ask you, are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, I think you're ready. Let's do it. Pants are actually too big, so I will be sending these back. I can actually fold it, and this is a 12. So that's exciting to know that I'm actually like officially in a 10-10. This shirt. It's a little snug at the bottom, and I'm pulling it. It's not meant to come all the way down over your pants. It is a crop top, so I'll have to figure out how to wear it and what jeans to wear it with. Obviously these wouldn't be it because these are too big and it's not positioning itself right. So off to the next item. I probably will keep this. I really love this. This is really cute. It's giving me the pizzazz that I like. I'm still a little self-conscious about my arms, but it's the summertime and sis can grow out of that. She'll be all right. So I'm excited about this top. I love this. It's tight, but it fits perfect. And it's a little thick. The material is a little thick, and it's 95, 90 degrees here on a constant now. So I don't know how I would immediately sweat in this. I could already feel it like immediately, but I love this detail in the back. Like, how cute is that? So cute. This is the type of stuff I wanted. So Dakota, we're here right now. We have 2 more items to try on to see how Dakota did, and then we will go from there. But this, too cute. Too cute. This is very cute, very comfortable. I actually like the feel of this. I like the fact that it has the pockets. I love the stretch. It's very comfortable. The shorts on the inside aren't restricting. You just slide right in them. The only thing about this jumpsuit is that it's about this far above the ankle. I wish I can show you, but it's like this far above the ankle, and it's not, I would want it to come down longer. So it needs about this much more material at the bottom. But I've never really been a jumpsuit type of girl. I've never, like I said, I've never worn one, but this is really nice and comfortable, and I actually like it. It's cute, it's flowy, it's not hot, it's very lightweight, but high watered. Lightweight and high watered, and sis doesn't want high watered. So we are gonna move on to our final item, which is the sundress. Love this dress. It is a heavier material, so like I said, the heat, it is pretty hot here, but it's just so cute. I love the, it's just cute, and it fits perfectly. It's not too big, not too small. I probably would wear shorts or something underneath it, or maybe like some foundation just to suck me in just a little bit more. Foundation, i.e. girdle, you know, cincher, something to just smooth me out. Other than that, this is, it feels good. It's just, the material is so soft on my skin. Makes me feel like, you know, a little razzle-dazzle-ish. So, overall, we're done. This was the last item. I'm gonna grab all the items here. So one, we know the jeans are going back because the jeans were too small. I mean, too big. So the jeans will be going back. I need a size 10 instead of a size 12. So I need to go into the Stitch Fitch app and update my size, which you can do. As you change sizes, you can update it, large, medium, all that stuff. These two I really like. Like I said, the material is heavy. Almost sweater-like material. I don't want to say sweater, but it's very thick, and it's getting hot. My arms out, will be okay in this one. This jumpsuit is short sleeve, you know, so it won't, I can make this work as well. These are very, very adorable, right in the area of what I want. So Dakota knocked it out the park. I don't have any complaints about this. There were several items that I liked, and that doesn't happen very often at all. But the back little action on this, that not, I was like, what? It was very, very, oh, I just loved it. This, however, like I said, it's good size, just too short at the legs, too much ankle showing, and I don't want my, you know, ankles to be, you know, cold. Just kidding. You know, the ankles just weren't really my style. Other than that, everything in this fit I liked. The only issue that we ran across this time is sizing, but I can't complain. I'm happy. I am a happy camper. Dakota, listen to your girl. And now I'm just even more excited to see what I get next month. I mean, come on, it's summer. I'm 31. I have no children. You know, I want to be gallivanting, you know what I'm saying, around town, looking cute, showing a little cleavage, you know, just feeling good about myself. That's what it's all about. Dressing up and feeling good. And feeling like you look good in what you're wearing. So that pretty much concludes it. Thank you guys so much for joining, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.